To continue our discussions, so we are to go to bacilli. So these are classified according to Gram's reaction or Gram's staining, known as Ziehl-Neelsen reaction. Ziehl-Neelsen reactions. It will going to detect or identify the presence or absence of the spores as follow. Yung acid fast, kung acid fast staining siya, meron siyang ang iyan na cell wall is composed of mycolic acid. So gram-positive spore-forming bacilli, the gram-positive non-spore-forming bacilli, and then a gram-negative bacilli. So these are the reactions. These are the reactions of Ziehl-Neelsen in a different form of bacilli. Okay? Or different classification, I mean. Next. So acid fast staining. So acid fast staining, acid fast bacilli, Ziehl-Neelsen carbofuchsin is stained to detect the presence of the Mycobacterium. So usually Mycobacterium bacilli siya. Try to see para there is a red bacilli that is present. So this is considered to be a sample coming from the tissues of the lungs of the patient. So this one is positive. So makikita natin yan. So kung makikita mo yan, so we not tissues, I mean, coming from the sputum test. Pwede rin siyang sputum test o pwede rin siya doon sa tissue. So usually sputum test. Okay? So sputum test ka. So kung may mga parang red bacilli dyan, so duda ka na, baka mayroon kang tuberculosis. Okay? Next. So Bacillus anthracis, so gram-positive spore-forming bacilli siya. So this may be either aerobic, needs an oxygen, or anaerobic, or the Clostridia. So kung aerobic, that is Bacillus. Try to see this one. Ito yung meron siyang plasmid, okay, nucleoid, capsule. So endospores are located. Okay, ito yung tawag natin mga endospores that protects the entire bacilli cells. Okay. So gram-positive non-spore forming, that is non-spore forming bacilli. This includes Corynebacterium or club shape, okay, or slightly curved, or natawag nato na ovoid, not avoid, that is ovoid, okay. Erythrophilophyx grow in chain of filaments, or Erythrophilophyx rugiapatae. The lactobacilli, so may mga filaments or appendages, but they don't need oxygen or anaerobic. Listeria monocytogenes, these have flagella and considered to be motile. So these are considered to be the shape of the Corynebacterium. Club shape siya. Okay, club shape. So we have Erythrophilophyx rugiapatae. By the way, Clostridium diphtheria, usually Corynebacterium diphtheria, I mean, or Corynebacterium causes diphtheria. Okay, known to cause infections humans exposure to decaying organic matter, or animals colonized with organisms such as swine and fish. Usually may mga dead organic matter. Okay, mas decaying. Usually may mga Erythrophilophyx rugiapatae yan. Invasive infections with this organism are usual and are manifested primarily in infective endocarditis. So it affects the endocardium part of the heart. Okay. Next. So Lactobacillus species gram-positive thin and long rods that appear sometimes in chain. Yan. So gram-positive siya, blue. Next, produce hydrogen peroxide which inhibits the growth of virulence the fungal pathogen Candida albicans in vitro and in vivo. So that is why Lactobacillus is very advantageous. So kung mayroong Candida albicans, that is fungi, can cause candidiasis. So Lactobacillus is considered to be a natural drug to inhibit infected agents. Okay, infective agents, I mean, like Candida albicans. Okay, so administer as single probiotic is of no benefit in people with irritable bowel syndrome or colitis. Kung may colitis, mga damage niyan sa intestine, lining of the intestine. Okay, mga inflammation diyan. Next, Listeria monocytogenes, ito yung small coccal. So flagellated siya. Okay? Yung flagella niya is considered to be nandoon sa parang Lupotrichus. Okay? Of course, in chains, long filamentous, tumbling motility. Peritrichus, that is peritrichus found, all over the body. Okay? Aerobic. Okay? So, microaerophilic. So, meaning microaerophilic, it needs less oxygen, small amount. So, ano yung disease? Listeriosis, caused by the bacteria. Intracellular pathogens, usually, mga maka-intracellular, they remain in the cytoplasm inside the cells. Listeria monocytogenes, infections usually cause worldwide. Important cause of infection is animals and men. So, gram-positive Pseudomonas aeruginosa, pink rod niyan. So, pink rod. So, gram-positive bacilli includes many families of Pseudomonaceae, the Acrobacteriaceae, Enterobacteriaceae, Brucellosaceae, and Bacteridae. Bacteridaceae. Okay? So, this is the appearance of the gram-negative Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Okay? Bacilli man siya. Okay? Parang cluster. Next. Vibrio, o curved shape, rod shape. Okay? Comma shape, non-plexus, gram-negative polar flagellum, and known as your Vibrio cholerae. So, yung Vibrio cholerae, ganyan yan. Club shape niya ng itsura niya. Okay? Polar flagellum, isa lang. Okay. Next, you have Spirilla, spirally twisted non-plexus, gram-negative. So, non-plexus, hindi siya ma-fold. So, species is Spirilla minus. So, Spirilla minus o Spirilla moniliformis, no? Are species of Spirillum. So, usually, yung cause ng rat bite. Okay? Illness caused by transmitted by rodents, rats, which pass the rodent-human vector. Okay? So, usually, ito yung cause ng mga disease. Infected by yung rat ng Spirilla. Okay? We'll have the Leptospira, of course, isa. Leptospira interrogans. Okay? Spirochaetes. So, we have slender plexus spiral filaments, gram-negative motile without possession of flagella and genera. So, usually, ang Leptospira, spirochaetes yan. So, Spirilla, non-plexus. Okay, Borrelia, Treponema pallidum, and Leptospira. So, ito yung cause ng leptospirosis. That belongs to spirochaetes or spirochaetes. Yan. Borrelia burgdorferi. Okay. Cause relapsing fever. Yung cause ng Vincent's angina, yung sa mouth infection yan, caused by Borrelia vincentii, and Borrelia burgdorferi, ito yung cause ng Lyme disease. Okay. This one is Borrelia vincentii, cause Vincent's angina, causes fusiform or Fusobacteria. Okay. So, symbiotic relationship. So, pwede yung Fusospiroketosis. So, pwede sila magkaroon ng symbiotic activity between the Fusobacteria and then we have the Borrelia. Okay? Predisposing factor, yan, hindi ka pa ng toothbrush. Immunosuppression, hina yung immune system mo. Poor oral hygiene. Toothbrush isa ka bulan. Okay? That's the only joke, And Treponema pallidum, so this is syphilis, that is a sexually transmitted diseases. So, okay, so magkaroon ng syphilis yung mga babae, so medyo nag-irritate ang ilan na private parts. So, please, mga lalaki, medyo halong-halong ka mo. Okay, especially yung women engaged in the prostitution. Okay, so they have also endoflagella that is found inside, axial filament, periplasmic space, and the outer membrane. So, ito yung Leptospira interrogans na what I mentioned. So, ito yung cause ng leptospirosis. Okay? So, they belong to spirochaetes. They are considered to be plexus. So, pwede sila kasi kita mo parang coil niyan, yung Leptospira interrogans. Okay? Next. So, based on the different drugs that are used to treat the different bacterial infections. So this one are examples. So maybe later we will discuss different drugs that are used to treat different infections. So we have beta-lactam. So penicillin, cephalosporins, carbapenems. Usually ito ga-inhibit ng mga cell wall synthesis, including yung vancomycin and bacitracin. And of course, yung cell membrane polymycins also inhibit the cell membrane. Ito yan sa cell wall synthesis, they inhibit. So pwede yung tetracyclines sa aminoglycosides inhibit the 30S subunits. So usually inhibit ng DNA synthesis. So bacteria will not going to produce. So 50S subunit macrolides, linezolid, clindamycin, and streptogramins. Okay? For RNA polymerase inhibition ng rifampin, kinolone sa DNA gyrase ang inhibit niya. So folate synthesis, yung sulfonamides and trimethylprim, usually they inhibit the conversion of your PABA para aminobenzoic acid to DHF known as dihydroxyfolic acid. O pwede yung trimethylprim mag-inhibit ng conversion ng dihydroxyfolic acid to tetrahydroxyfolic acid. Kaya once na nag-convert yan, pwede siya mag-undergo ng nucleic acid synthesis. So this is the mechanism. So later on we'll discuss one by one. Okay? So yung spore forming gram-positive bacilli, Bacillus and Clostridium, spore forming ha. So Bacillus are aerobes, while Clostridiums are anaerobes. Mga baka-aerobes needs oxygen, anaerobes hindi. Usually ka-cause ng disease is anthrax. Okay? So Bacillus cereus, Bacillus thuringiensis, food poisoning. Tetanus, Clostridium tetani, botulinum, Clostridium botulism, botulism ang ina-cause nila. Okay? Gas gangrene, Clostridium perfringens. Nung gas gangrene, ang gangrene na ang pilas, no? Gagaok. Okay? Na. Antibiotic associated diarrhea also. So usually because pwede nila once na nasa tiyan siya, antibiotic, pwede yung antibiotic mag-trigger ng trigger ng pathogenicity of the normal flora, di ba? So kung may mo sila ma-disturb, pwede sila maging pathogenic kunara sa lawas. Okay? Pseudomonas membranous colitis, yung Clostridium difficile. So that is the inflammation of the colon. Okay? So treatment sa mga bacillus, pwede yung ciprofloxacin, vancomycin, doxycycline, penicillin G. So anthracis, mayroon tayong tawag na vaccine or tawag natin AVA Biotrax. So remember, kung natawag pa kung panahon ni Saddam Hussein sa una, nagkaroon ng Gulf War. So nagbalo siya sa American, ginabutangan niya ang mga letters ang anthrax. So pagbukas mga kano, anong kalapatay, makapatay siya kasi the letter contains a powder na may anthrax siya. May may Bacillus anthracis. So Clostridium, pwede yung metronidazole, vancomycin, pidaxomycin. So pidaxomycin wala naman dito sa Pilipinas, but banco and metronidazole are common. Okay? So tetanus depends on active immunization with toxoids, aggressive wound care, prophylactic use of antitoxin, and administration of penicillin. So usually dapat kung may pilas ka or you have the wounds, you have to take care of that one by wound dressing, every day ba? Limpiwan, so cover the wound to protect from the further infections, or especially yung Clostridium tetani, cause tetanus. Okay? Aerobic non-spore forming bacteria, the gram-positive bacilli, Listeria monocytogenes, Corynebacterium, Rhizophilothrix rugifatae, Nocardia, related pathogens. So we have Corynebacterium club shape or regular shape. Club shape niyan, Corynebacterium. Although isolates term as coryneiform or dipteroid bacteria. So usually ang ginakos niya diphtheria man lang Diphtheria, dala na yung parang loose bowel movement yan, suka pang libang because you drink contaminated water with a Corynebacterium diphtheria. So for organism, you have Corynebacterium diphtheriae, usually metachromatic, may mga granules yan. Try to see the structure of that one. It contains different color. Black colonies or tellurite media ang tawag doon. Okay? Metachromatic na 9 color ha. For disease-associated diphtheria, non-toxigenic strain, so Bacteremia endocarditis. So we have Corynebacterium ulcerans, tuberculosis, and striatum. So sa colony nila, ano general characteristic, that is the colony. So pwede yung white colonies urease positive. So usually ito yung nag-involve sa regulation, the production of the urine urine, di ba? Okay? And toxigenic may cause diphtheria. Yellowish white colonies urease positive. So toxigenic strains may cause diphtheria also. So nosocomial. So Corynebacterium ureaticum multidrug resistant produces urea also. Okay? Encrusted cystitis and phyllitis. So Corynebacterium GQcum. Okay? Grayish white colonies multidrug resistant. So bacteria and other infections in immunocompromised patients. So ano treatment yan? So mayroon tayong tetanus toxoid, acellular pertussis vaccine sa diphtheria. Okay, so immunization ng bata, so very first year of life, 15 to 18 months and 46 years old. Okay, diphtheria kasi ano. Okay. Treatment, erythromycin, 14 days and FOS treatment culture of confirmed. So Listeria monocytogenes, short gram positive, so catalase positive, 2 forms of perinatal human listeriosis. So early set para may isang granulomatous antiseptica. Usually ito yung may mga sepsis, may lesion ng bata, granulomas containing monocytogenes multiple organs. Death may occur after the delivery. Okay, before or after the delivery. Okay, so the late onset syndrome cause development of meningitis between birth and third week of life is often. Okay, yung Erysipelotrix rugiopatchae, so gram positive bacillus, transparent glistening maybe beta hemolytic, acquired direct inoculations. So parang may erysipeloid ka, ganyan, no? Kita mo, cellulitis ang tawag doon eh. Penicillin used to treat the erysipeloid. So nocardiosis yung disease, so may hyphae light. Mga baka conidia nga, try to remember conidia. Mga conidia, filaments yan, pero sexual spores yan. Okay? Conidia, yun sa mga staphylococcus. Okay? Next. Incubation, so 35 to 37 degrees Celsius. Several days, they develop hip or regular waxy colonies. Okay? Treatment of choice is trimethoprim, sulfamethoxazole. If the patient failed to respond, a number of other antibiotics had been used. So, pwede magamit ang amikacin, amipinem, meropenem, fluoroquinolones, minocycline, linezolid, and cefotaxime. Okay?